Decrease. So that's a good thing. We're going to do some decrease too, because I don't want to do all increase. Now, is this type 1, Austin, or type 2? Yes. So is it all around or just one side? Just one. How did you know it's just one side? You're right. That is important to understand, right, guys? Because if you misunderstand that, you're not going to do this right. Austin, how do you know that it's just one side, not all around, that's being decreased? What tells you that is?
Wait, what is it all around?
It's not all around. How do you know that it's not all around, Austin? Yeah, in other words, how do you know it's not all around? Yeah.
Because it says it's like just decreased by 4 and just decreased by 2.
Yeah, there's nowhere on this problem says anything about all around or surround or anything like that, okay? So that's how you know it's just one side. Does that make sense, guys? So if it doesn't say, right, don't assume that it's always all around. Does that make sense? That's important. Okay, everybody try it. Give you some time. So, first of all, what are the unknowns? Some of you are forgetting to declare your variables for these. You still need to declare your variable. Yes, one person knows. That's it? 2? What are the unknowns? Come on, guys. Raise your hand. Yes. Go ahead. Yeah, the width of the rectangle, the original rectangle, right? So let what? Good. Of the original. Huh? Okay. Then what? What about the length? That's right. 2w is the length of the rectangle, original one, right? Now, were you able to come up with this picture? Yes. Okay. Isn't this w by 2w, right? And isn't this being decreased by 4 for the length and 2 for the width, right? So notice, look at my new width. Okay, new dimension is w minus 2 and 2w is minus 4, correct? Are we okay there? Questions? Yeah.
So only the shaded region is 24?
Yes, only the shaded region is 24. Did you guys recognize that? Because what did they say? What's 24? They say what? The area is decreased by what? 24. How much area is decreased? The shaded area is how much it got decreased.
I got it.
That's 24. Does that make sense? Whereas, you know, if you expand it, then the L shape will be the area increase or something, in this case. In type 2, right? In type 1, the frame is the area decrease or increase, right? In type 2, right, the L shape is the area increase or decrease. Does that make sense? Okay, now, knowing this, are we okay with the new dimension, w minus 2 and 2w minus 4? Who could then come up with the equation? What am I going to do? Again, it's the same idea. I like adding. I don't like subtracting. So what would you do? Some of you subtracted? That's okay, but as long as you remember to put the parentheses, but around the whole thing. But I like adding. Yes, Ali?
Okay. So you take 2w.
Oh, just tell me in terms of like the drawing. Don't give me the actual. What did you do? How did you come up with an equation? How did you make the left side equals the right side?
Do you want my equation?
No, not yeah, but like, can you describe it rather than just saying it in some actual equation? What did you do? What did you do with the smaller rectangle? Smaller rectangle, what? What is this whole rectangle equal to? Isn't it?
The whole rectangle equals
I mean, the area of the whole rectangle is equal to what, class?
2w squared minus 24.
Oh, no. So isn't it this way? Isn't the total area, right, equal to smaller area plus the area decreased? Right? That's how you add them, right? So what is the area of the whole thing? Isn't it simply 2w times w, right? Remember we had w times 2w for the original rectangle equals to. So isn't this total area plus, right, the smaller area plus, I mean, isn't total area the big one? Isn't that equal to small one in red, right, plus the L shape? Wouldn't that agree? So what's the dimension of the total area? W times 2w. What's the area of the smaller rectangle? W minus 2 times 2w minus 4. Plus, what's the area of this L shape? 24. Did you all get that? No? Yeah, why not?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Any questions so far then? Okay, any question about the, this is important. Any question about the area? How I got the area? And again, I like addition. Yes?
Wait, but like, if you put subtraction, is it like 2x squared minus?
Oh, you could subtract. You could do the big area minus the L shape, gives you the small one if you want a subtraction. But I don't like subtraction. I like addition. Because I always tend to make silly mistakes. Not only you, I've seen a lot of you do that too. So that's why I want you to add. Any other question? Yes.
Oh, wait, no.
How about the equation? Because this is the important part. Do you understand the equation, guys? Yes?
Yes.
Any question? Can you solve it? Go ahead, everybody try. So, did you all change it to addition? Like in the middle? I don't like these subtractions inside, so I changed it to addition. I got... How many people have the answer, by the way? What'd you get?
I got the length is 6.4 and the width is 3.2.
Not quite. When you solve it, you get a nice number. Vivian? No. 4 by 8 is the answer. Okay, so if you didn't get that, here is how you solve it. Okay, and here's your homework for tonight, by the way. Finish the worksheet. Number 2, you're left with 2 and 4, and then do the homework 1 through 10 on page 173. Okay.